Well, good Tuesday evening. Taking a live look outside of Bryan, you can see the A&M campus there in the background. Temperature at 55 degrees here in Bryan College Station. Cold front working its way south through the Brazos Valley. 53 in Hearne, a little bit colder up in Waco, 51 degrees. But out ahead of that cold front, temperature still in the 70s. It's in the low 70s in Conroe, but those temperatures going to fall rather quickly within the next half an hour. Now we're dealing with northerly winds between 10 to 20 miles per hour, making it feel a touch cooler out there. Feels like 42 degrees in Hearne. 39 that feels like temperature in Waco, so temperatures a lot colder than what we were dealing with this time yesterday. Temperature of 47 in Oklahoma City, 40 degrees in Amarillo. We're starting to see some shower activity develop out behind that cold front across the Texas Hill Country. This will gradually work its way towards the east overnight. A few showers and storms as well popping up out ahead of this cold front. We're expecting this cold front to continue to advance towards the south. Going to see some activity develop across the northern zone of the Brazos Valley heading into tomorrow morning. You definitely want to make sure that you have the umbrella handy, and you want the jacket available too, because it's going to be chilly out there. So we have an upper level ridge position to our south and a storm system that's starting to develop out across the desert southwest. This is helping steer some moisture into the Brazos Valley in Pacific form. So this is in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. Now with that cold front working its way south, we have that dome of cold air here at the surface, and we're having that moisture work its way up and over the colder air mass. That is some lift, and that develops the cloud cover and develops that precipitation as well. So let's take a look at when this setup develops, exactly what that radar is going to look like. Notice as we head throughout tomorrow morning, a nice band tries to set up across the central and northern zone. Now wherever this band sets up, expect some moderate to at times heavy rainfall. Models really starting to hone in on the northern parts of the Brazos Valley heading into tomorrow late morning into the early afternoon hours, and this band just really trains across the same areas. So this is going to allow the rainfall to really start piling up. Now we're not talking about flooding concerns, but a few inches of rain possible wherever this heaviest band sets up. It could be a couple miles farther south or farther north, but we're going to continue to keep an eye on this over the next few hours. And as we head into Thursday morning, still seeing that rain across the Brazos Valley. That band may try to shift a little bit toward the south. So going to keep a close eye on where that heaviest activity sets up. And heading into Thursday afternoon, a reinforcing surge of cooler air going to work its way into the Brazos Valley. That's not only going to knock those temperatures down a little bit farther, but we're also going to see a little bit of a drying trend, but that cloud cover going to stick around as we head into the evening hours on Thursday. Rainfall totals looking like 1 to 2 inches on average across the Brazos Valley. Where that band sets up, we could see some enhanced rainfall amounts, 3 inches possible. Can't rule out maybe 3.5 inches, but notice that gradient pretty tight. The southern zone may only pick up 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain. Temperatures going to be cold heading into tomorrow afternoon. Northern half of the Brazos Valley going to stay in the 40s. So again, you want that jacket. Southern zone should flirt with the low 50s, and then temperatures for the entire Brazos Valley heading into Thursday looking like it's going to remain in the 40s. And we do have the possibility of a freeze for the northern low-lying rural areas as we head into Friday morning. So just keep an eye on that. Here in the Brazos Valley, or here in Bryan College Station, we will stay above freezing. But as you get towards the Hearne, maybe even Crockett, those temperatures like